Let's take a look at this example. Again, we have quadratic equation and we're supposed to find two values of x. Now, in order to do so, we're supposed to divide both sides equation by 3 first. 3 and 3 will cancel out and I have x squared equals 8 over 3. In order to eliminate x squared, I'm supposed to square root both sides of the equation. Second power and radical will cancel out and I'm going to end up with x equals plus minus square root of 8 over 3. So I have two answers. X equals positive square root 8 over 3 or x equals negative square root 8 over 3. So, what we're supposed to do next? We're supposed to verify if our answer is correct. So, basically, take the original equation. We have 3x squared equals 8. And substitute this x by square root 8 over 3 and later on by negative square root 8 over 3. So I have 3 times square root 8 over 3 to the second power is equal 8. Exponent is going to eliminate square root and I have 3 times 8 over 3 is equal 8. 3 and 3 will cancel out and I have 8 is equal 8. As you can see, the left side of my equation is equal to the right side, so I can say this is correct answer. Let's verify the second answer. We have 3x squared is equal 8. 3 times negative square root 8 over 3 to the second power is equal 8. So I have 3. Second power is going to eliminate this negative sign, is going to also eliminate the radical, and I'm going to have 8 over 3 equals 8. 3 and 3 will cancel out, 8 is equal 8. The left side of my equation is equal to the right side. So this is also correct answer to my problem. So I can say that these two values of x are the correct solutions to my problem.